All right, I'm starting a second video and I'll send them both to you. So this is how I decided to keep the polyfill in around the leaves. Obviously I did not cut it large enough. So I had to cut a second piece. But I want the polyfill to stay around the leaves. I tried to move the leaves in like an upward motion as they're being kept in here. Put some polyfill in right there. Perfect. Just want to keep the integrity of your leaves as good as we can. Up. Now I can work with more polyfill at the top. I actually think these are going to be a-okay. Cool. This is my first time using this stuff. I just bought it. All right, back in. You're my first customer that's getting 2 packing videos. There we go. Get on there. Yeah, because I was just all the polyfill was gonna fall out, and then so I wanted to keep it in with like paper or Walmart plastic bags, but then the leaves are gonna get messed up. So I don't think we need any packing paper or any other packing products around the outside of this. Let me move this. I think she's pretty solid with these rolled up pieces. I'm just gonna hold her in place. Okay, try something. Maybe some more rolled up cardboard pieces. Yep, some more rolled up cardboard. Okay.